Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and I'm really hoping that if you like this video that you will give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. So this is my natural hair with all of the curls combed out. It's about 2 days old. I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, and the only thing that's in it right now is natural marula oil. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I'm all about products that are all natural and chemical free, which is why I really like the SheaMoisture line. So the main ingredients listed on the front of the label is shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, but it actually doesn't smell like peppermint or apple cider vinegar at all. I always like to tell people that when it comes to products and whenever they list their key ingredients, ignore whatever they have on the front of the bottle and actually turn it around and read the ingredients that are on the back. And the reason why you want to look at the back of the ingredient label is because ingredients are typically listed in the order of the highest quantity of the product, so that way you'll know exactly what you are putting in your hair. All that said, the second ingredient on this product is in fact castor oil, which is what this product does advertise. It's written here in big bold print on the front, and so if you're interested in growing out your hair, I know castor oil is supposed to be really, really great for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my hair, and then we're going to try the product on one side and nothing on the other side just to see the difference that it makes. Okay, so I just dampened my hair just a little bit. I never really apply product to my hair when it's super wet, just because I like to get more of a realistic expectation of what to expect. I know that like if I want a more defined look, I actually will section off my hair and do things in small little sections, but for something like this where I'm really just trying to show you how great the product is or what kind of results to expect, I'm just gonna go all up in my hair and saturate it with the product. And I'm using quite a bit. And actually, it does smells really good. And then you can kind of immediately see that it's already starting to really elongate and define. Okay, so the product is in my hair. I still have a little on my hands also, but as you can see, and I'll move a little closer, this side is significantly more defined and smooth, and you can see more of my curl pattern, whereas this side's like a little bit more frizzy and just not as defined. There's nothing wrong with this. I actually do like my hair sometimes it's frizzy and big and bold, but just for the sake of you just seeing what the leave-in conditioner can do, this is my hair while it's damp. And then I just thought, for the sake of comparison, I'm using a popular brand that kind of stole from my mom. So. And I'm just going to put it in just for comparison product purposes, just so that we have something. It's supposed to leave you with frizz-free, smooth, manageable hair. So that's product 2. This is the SheaMoisture. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and then we'll come back and we will take a look at the two sides. So I've been air drying my hair for about 20 minutes now, and the main difference I see between the two sides, and this probably wasn't the best day to wear a black shirt, is the elongation of this side where I use the product. So you'll see that the other side kind of, my hair stops around this point, and over here it's a little bit longer. I mean, it's obviously not like dramatically longer, but it's definitely elongated more than one end. I also personally feel that this side looks a little bit less frizzy than this side. I don't mind the frizz over here, but definitely this is a little bit more smoother. I will say though that when I touch my hair, there is like a tiny bit of like a greasy feeling, so if you're not into like products that kind of leave a residue, this probably isn't for you. And then also, it's very strong, the scent. And if you are the type of person who just does not like bumblebees following you or any kind of creatures who might be attracted to the strong scent of these florals and coconut oil, then this might not be the best product for you. So based on my results and the way that my hair feels, my biggest recommendation to you if you do want to try this product is to start off small. I think I may have done a little bit too much, and maybe that's why I'm feeling this greasy feel. I like that it elongates my curls so that I don't have to worry about stretching, and I think my hair looks really great. But yeah, let me know if you've tried this product or if you have any plans to, and if this review helped, I would love to know your feedback. And yeah, thanks for watching.